In this video, we'll deploy MLflow on Cuemby Cloud. We'll start by configuring the instance within Cuemby Cloud and selecting the necessary resources for the service. We'll also configure some parameters required for the MLflow service to run. MLflow is a very useful platform for data and artificial intelligence teams because it allows you to register experiments, save metrics, version models, and organize your entire lifecycle from a single location. It also includes tools for model evaluation, deployment, and management. Once we click the Create Instance button, we wait for the service to be created, and then access it through the console after launching the deployment. The platform handles provisioning to get the environment ready. Meanwhile, we can review key elements for the client, such as the network, the availability of a public IP address for controlled external access, and the importance of having a backup strategy to protect the environment's data. Finally, we'll verify that MLflow is operational and ready to begin deploying and centralizing machine learning work in a much more organized and straightforward way. The client sees not only a technical deployment, but a platform prepared to work with models that offer greater control, traceability, and continuity.